Regardless of the characters I portray on TV and on the big screen, my tinnitus once buried me in a negative place where many of you are now, or have been. And believe me when I say to you, I've been there. Tinnitus or tinnitus, either way you say it, whether you hear it in your ears or in your head, it means the same thing. Noise that does not go away, and you do not suffer alone. The harsh reality of tinnitus is that it has robbed silence from the lives of nearly 12 million Americans. My tinnitus began while I was filming a Star Trek episode, Arena. I was standing too close to a special effects explosion, and it resulted in tinnitus. There were days when I didn't know whether I would survive the agony. I was so tormented by the screeching in my head. I really thought I wouldn't be able to go on, but then a ray of light burst into my life, the American Tinnitus Association. The help they gave me literally saved my life. Recently, ATA's Chief Executive Officer, David Fagerly, visited me in Los Angeles and updated me about the work ATA is doing day in and day out to bring us all closer to a cure for tinnitus. They work with the best and the brightest scientists throughout the world who are investigating this terrible condition. What's unique about ATA is that they give us all the opportunity to do something about tinnitus. They make it possible for anyone to contribute and support research that is moving us toward a cure. David also informed me of a startling statistic. A study by the Centers for Disease Control found that nearly 13% of all children between the ages of 6 and 19 have damage caused by loud noise. Hundreds of thousands of these children may likely have tinnitus from these injuries. Tinnitus is the #1 service-connected disability of the brave men and women coming back from global war on terror. Those who return from these conflicts with tinnitus will have to endure incessant noise inside their heads or ears, perhaps for years, if we do not intervene and help find a cure. I believe we can achieve this goal, and I encourage you to join me in making a generous contribution to the American Tinnitus Association. Its dedicated staff and volunteers are here for us today, helping us live with our tinnitus and supporting innovative research. Eventually, they will bring the good news of silence back into our lives. We must band together on this journey to help fund our critically needed association so that one day, not one single person will ever have to bear the agony and distress of tinnitus. From the bottom of my heart, I thank you.